I can't see nothing. Oh, man, it's crazy. Oh.
I told you this car wash is good. I told you it was colorful.
Wow. That is beautiful. Dang, look how pretty it look in here. I ain't even driving that day. What a car that was in front of me.
I can't see it.
My mirror popped out there.
This is when you're going about to start driving.
Lord have mercy.